is, for the following counties, in Iowa, Cedar, Clinton, Muscatine and Scott, and the following counties, in Illinois, Rock Island and Whiteside. West-southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. The areas affected include, in Illinois, Rock Island and Whiteside counties. In Iowa, Cedar, Clinton, Iowa, Johnson, Muscatine, and Scott counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected until 5 p.m. this afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects.